morning, Newcastle this morning for Town Moor Parkrun. Let's see what this one's like. Town Moor, very straightforward to get to. It's in the centre of Newcastle, so serviced by all of the train routes. Well, not all of them, just the East Coast main line. Lots of parking. You can walk to Town Moor from the railway station, but there will be buses as well, or the metro. You can get the metro, hop on the metro. I say parking available all around, but it is pay and display. In terms of making yourself comfortable, there is a cafe on Town Moor in Exhibition Park. Toilet's a little bit small there, so there might be a queue. We have got the RVI hospital, which is en route from the station and nearest to parking. But it is a little bit of a trek. Just half a mile to the start of the park run from there, so leave yourself plenty of time. That said, the park cafe is actually shut today, so maybe the RVI is the best option, with the RVI being the Royal Victoria Infirmary, which is the hospital. Finally, before we start, it's actually an alternative route today, so you may or may not get this route when you come, depending how soon you come, because they're doing some work on the moor at the moment. Apparently Wylam Brewery, which is there in front of us, are offering toilet facilities and coffee facilities, so you can go there to make yourself comfortable ahead of doing your run. It's quite a big one, this one. Few runners here. Still more turning up. We are off. Gravel tracks mostly. you, marshals. Marshals. Beautiful. Kilometers. 16. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, marshals. Thank you, Marshall. Kilometers, 6:39. Thank you, marshals. Thank you, marshals. Sure. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshals. Thank you, Marshall.
Well done, you guys.
And we are done in. I got 33.29. Thank you. Position 580.
What time is it? You told us about this.
Thank you. Morning.
Do you have a barcode?
I do.
Thanks, Robert.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh, yeah, you didn't go in.
Thank you. Good morning.
And that is Town Moor Parkrun. Quite like that new rig. The other rig's kind of a bit more on gravel. They've also put some new tarmac paths in. So yeah, a little bit more tarmac than previously. A bit windy today though, so a bit slow and laboured at times. Town Moor does always catch the wind though, even on a relatively still day. That's all I know. Thank you for watching.